children, and welcome to today's session in which we learn the journal entries with the realization account. In the previous video we have already discussed that how realization account will be made, and today we are going to derive journal entries from realization account, which are also very important from the board's point of view. So we will first have a look at the realization account once more, and then we will formulate the journal entries. On the debit side of realization, you can see that first transaction will be for the transfer of sundry assets. All assets will be transferred over here except these assets which I have quoted in brackets, and I have already explained that what are the assets which are not going to be transferred. And then what shall be the journal entries for the transfer of assets? We can say realization account debited to sundry assets. To sundry assets means we can have debtors, we can have plant, land, building, machinery, but we cannot have these assets that are excluded. Cash will not be transferred, debit balance of P&L, and fictitious assets will not be transferred, any partner's capital account balance or current account balance or loan given to the partners. These assets will not be transferred. Only the assets which are in the nature of to be sold out, they can be transferred in the realization account, and the journal entry will be on the debit side of the realization. You can see on the debit side, so realization account is debited and sundry assets will be credited. This is the entry for the transfer of sundry assets. On the other side, on the credit side, we can have a look at the transaction given in realization account for the transfer of sundry liabilities, except these liabilities that we have already discussed earlier. So what will be the journal entry for the transfer of sundry liabilities? The journal entry will be sundry liabilities account debited to realization. As you can see, the realization account is credited, so here we have put on the credit side. Sundry liabilities account debited to realization for the transfer of assets, for the transfer of liabilities. Journal entry 1, journal entry 2. I think these are very clear, very easy going. Okay, now coming to the second journal entry, as far as you can see in the realization account, we have by provisions on sundry assets. Whatever provisions are created on the assets, that also need to be transferred to realization. In case it can be a provision for bad debts, it can be depreciation, it can be machinery replacement or investment fluctuation. These are also to be transferred in realization account. So we have the journal entry based on this particular transaction. Provisions on any asset account debited to realization. This time also the realization account has been credited. Okay, so these three entries are now very clear. Moving on to another two entries which are all the more vice versa of each other. We can have a look at the debit side first. Any payment which has been made, any payment made which we have given, such as payment on the liabilities, such as payment of realization expenses, payment for any unrecorded liability. Wherever you are seeing to bank, that can be posted in the journal as the journal entry. Realization account debited to bank or cash means any payment given from the firm on account of the payment of liability or any unrecorded liability or any realization expense, we have to put the same journal entry. Realization account debited to cash or bank for the payments made. Similarly, for the payments received on the sale of the assets, we have on the other side of realization, here we go, on the credit side we can see by cash or by bank. It means the payments which have been received on the sale of asset, or any other payment which has been received on account of an unrecorded asset. Both will be shown under the same category with the same journal entry. They are bank or cash account debited to realization. Debit what comes in and credit all the profits and gains. Here you can see the journal that cash or bank account has been debited if the payment has been received, and cash and bank account has been credited if the payment has been made. So making of payments and receiving of payments, these two entries are very much clear now. Moving on to the next category of entries that we have, if any liability is taken over by a partner. We can have a look over here. any liability taken over by the partner. Here we have the realization account debited and partner's capital account has to be credited. If the partner wishes to take over any liability and make the payment of the liability on his own behalf. So what shall be the journal entry? For any liability taken over by the partner, we can have a journal entry, realization account debited to partner's capital account. Okay. And similarly, if a partner takes over any asset, so we have a reverse effect of it. You can have a look in the chart. Partner's capital account has been on the credit side of realization. It means realization account will be credited and partner's capital account will be debited if the partner has taken over any asset. What shall be the journal? Partner's capital account debited to realization. For taking over the liability, realization account debited to partner's capital account. For taking over any asset, reverse entry, partner's capital account debited to realization. Now moving to the last category, that is whether profit on realization or loss on realization. If there is a profit on realization, so we have to transfer it to the partner's capital account, as the journal says, realization account debited to partner's capital account. You can have a look in the chart as well. If there is a profit on realization, you can have a look over here. If there is a profit on realization, realization account is debited and partner's capital account is credited. If there is a loss on realization, then realization account is credited and partner's capital account has to be debited. So it's a vice versa entry for the transfer of loss or profit on realization. We can have a look once more. If there is a profit on realization, we have the journal, realization account debited to partner's capital account in their profit sharing ratio as per the question suggests. And if there is a loss, so we will reverse this entry. We will put partner's capital account debited to realization for the loss on realization to be transferred. A reverse entry will be made. So all these 8 entries are belonging to realization account only, so that we can have an idea that while preparing the realization account, if the question comes for the posting of journal entries, we have 8 steps to follow. I hope that these are very clear. In the next session, we will go with the journal entries in the partner's capital account. Stay tuned.